How's it going, everybody? It's Turtle Mario Bros, aka Sean, and welcome to Squirrel Stapler. I have heard a lot about this game, but from the title I can already assume what it's about, so I'm not really gonna waste your time, and I'm just gonna start it up now. Oh god.
Oh, God.
What the fuck? We came here to get away from it all. So that, I couldn't read that.
We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Also, Sean, you should read faster, you stupid.
Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful like the squirrels of the wood. And I will also cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Why is my camera moving like that? I am not touching my joysticks right now. Like I moved it there, but I'm like not controlling these movements right here. That is disturbing. Okay. So we live in this disgusting ass shack right here. Ew. And we sleep right next to a fucking corpse. That is... You know what? That's great. You know what? I'm not gonna say nothing. What the... Well, that's interesting. Book of the Grove. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia! Oh, hell no!
Shit, I mean, if that piece of paper said I shouldn't staple squirrels, I should not staple squirrels. In 5 days, God is coming. Interesting. Day one! Let's go find ourselves some squirrels. It is time to hunt the squirrels. Use the map triangle. Orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Okay.
Slow it down some, no split, clown bum. Your gold hit sound dumb. Hold it now, crown 'em.
Alright, so I finally figured out how to fix the camera, so hopefully we won't be having any more of the problems of it just moving on its own as you saw before. I see it. Got one! Yeah! Fucking finally! Take that, you stupid squirrel! I see it. Yeah, take that, you stupid fucking squirrel! Let's go! What is that? I ain't never seen this over here before. First. Let's fucking go! Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your score. What? What the fuck? That scared the shit out of me. Oh my god. Okay, I see the last one. Oh, thank god. That's every squirrel. These are enough squirrels for today. Alright, let's take them back home then. Alright, we finally made it back. It took a little bit longer than I expected. Poison grass. Do not eat.
Shit!
There was one there the whole time. I probably should have saved that. Oh, shit. We're about to commit a sin here by, ignoring what that piece of paper said, and we're gonna press action R2 to staple the squirrels onto your beloved. Ta-da! There we go. You're looking beautiful now. Now what? Sleep. Yep, squirrels are still there.
Yummy.
Shit's still in there. Everything is pretty normal. Well, I mean, as normal as it can possibly get. Same thing is still here. Oh, it's different. For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered
Sorry,
to that
I just
which
think I'm
is
too
not
stupid to
divine,
understand
by no
this.
means. Okay. Day 2, let's go.
Hey,
Oh
that's
look, there's
pretty
2 dead
good.
squirrels this time. Well, that definitely helps. Yeah, tip of the day, whatever. Is this different? Nope. Let's go find some more squirrels. Extra large? What does it mean by extra large? Do I gotta find giant squirrels now or something?
I'm an intellectual. You're a stupid dumbass.
Well, I see one. Let's see if I can get it. Shit, that one got away, but we still got one. We still got one. That's still good. Okay, there's one over here. Let's snipe this one. There we go. But what is this, though? Is this a paper we've already read? No. Although squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruit, they have been known to eat insects, bird eggs, and even animals. Interesting. Okay, now it wants me to get this big squirrel, but, I don't know where to find the big squirrel at. I guess I just look, I guess I just have to look for it. The fuck was that? What the hell? Oh my god, that scared the shit. Come back here. Shoot it! Oh my god! That took way too fucking long! Alright, we're back home. It's time to do the same thing again. There you... What is this? I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead.
What the hell are you talking about?
No, nah, you can just have squirrels. See? Doesn't that look beautiful? Some people, am I right, can't appreciate that I'm giving you squirrels. Who wouldn't want that? Like, who wouldn't want this? Anyone who says they wouldn't want that, you're weird. It says... Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. What? Ah, day 3. Same thing. 5 regular squirrels, 1 big one. Well, we already got 2, so... Let's get going. What the fuck? You know what? I don't think I want to hunt squirrels anymore. You know, I think I'm good. Oh my god, already? Oh, thank god I do not want to be chasing those giant-ass squirrels again. I just don't. I got you right where I want you. Never mind, I don't. but now I do. Alright, let's get back to the house before another one of those squirrel bear things, whatever the fuck, tries to kill me again. Guess what? It's that time of the day again. Where did they go? Oh, you're just at the dining table. Silly me. Well, it's that time of the day again. You know the drill. More squirrels. Enjoy.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
Alright, let's go back to sleep. See, look, there they are again. In this way, the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherefore squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live. Just as lobsters live, so that lobsters may die.
What the hell are you talking about?
What kind of book have we been reading? What kind of cult did we sign up for? Day 4. Only one squirrel for me, usually I get 2. Oh well. Fuck. Fuck! Holy shit! Fuck, where? Stop ruining my plans, cunt! Go away! Go away! No! Oh my god! Why the fuck? Ah! There's two! I need to go. Go away, please. Why is there 2? Doesn't help that my aim sucks absolute dick. I'm panicking so much. I'm stuttering! What are you having, folks? Our first death.
I'm happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag.
The day just started!
Oh my god!
A double squirrel? That's the first time I got one of those. What the fuck? How long have you been out here? It doesn't matter. I'm getting more squirrels for you. I know that's what you want, right? You want more squirrels? I'll get you more squirrels. Oh, Lord help me. Oh my god, finally. Finally. These squirrels are enough for today. I should head back home. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, finally back home. I feel like that one took a lot longer than the last round that took the longest, because I was searching for, like, regular squirrels for, like, quite a bit. How's it going? You want more squirrels? I got you.
Oh, fuck yeah! This is the shit!
Man, I'm such a good person for giving her so many squirrels, bro. Who wouldn't want this many squirrels? It's beautiful, really. See what it has to say now. And I say, onto you. In those final days, the groves will bend in agonized worship. And the nutless man
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skate it and they froze.
Will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. Gulp. What does that have to do? God is coming. Oh, shit. Same as usual, huh? 5 big squirrels. one big one. Oh god. Oh dear. I'm actually scared for this one. Oh, I'm actually scared for this one. Finally, last one. God. I must prepare to meet God. What? God is coming. Shit. Let me try to get back home. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. What is that chanting? Oh. Oh. I hate this. Stop. Dude, stop. No. Oh. Where? Where? Oh dear Lord, I hate this. Where? Oh. Holy shit. That scared the fuck out of me. What a fantastic game, though. That was so good. It did a great job of making me uncomfortable. That fucking, like, chanting that God is coming. Ugh, I hate that. I hate that so much. But this was a fantastic game, though. But that's all I really have to say about it. Go check out this game, support the person who made it, and David over here. And, yeah, I'm out. See you later.